y'all. So I would like to present the coolest DCTL I have made as of right now. This is called Atmospheric by Spectra. Where to start? Okay, so we have here an in node and out node into a JPLog2, which is where I like to be. Yeah, this is correct, RC4. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we turn on and off, nothing happens, right? So what is atmospheric? It is a sun angle emulation that uses the atmosphere, pollution, ozone layers, and all the physical knowledge that we actually have of how light changes. So depending on what time it is, let's say that the EQ curve of light is different, right? What does that mean? At high noon, the sun is just beaming straight down at us. So let's use that as control. We have a flat band. As the sun sets, we have longer shot of light through the atmosphere and whatnot, so that filters, just like an equalizer, the light, which interacts differently with materials, which bounces light back at us, and our little eyeballs just interpret the information different because it is different information, right? So it is not just the purity of the light or whatnot, it is the time of day and how light is filtered through the atmosphere that gives us the perception of color. That's why the golden hour is gorgeous. That is why there's dusk, there's dawn, there's high noon, and all of this stuff that us cinematographers know. Enough of the history class, or physics, I suppose. Let's talk about this thing, man. So right now we are at 45 degrees sun elevation, but if we start going down, we start going through the motions of a different filter, right? You're like, well, why does it stop around there and nothing's happening? Well, because we have different densities, there's different scatters, ozone filtering, humidity changes, there's like pollution, there's altitude. Now that's contrast, perception, color, temperature. Golden hour doesn't do a goddamn nothing because this is not golden hour elevation. Golden hour elevation is around, let's say, 10 degrees. So like now we do have, so everything here interacts with everything. So that's why the blue hour is not doing a goddamn thing, because that's later or earlier. I mean, there's a lot of experimenting here to be done, but my thing assures me that everything is working. This just literally came out of the oven here, so to speak. There we go, there's our blue hour, so it's all there, our intensity and whatnot. Then we have linear physics, which are the true, right? Like the physics are linear when we're out and about and using our perceptual eyeballs. If we take that off, let's actually reset this and take this off and take this off. Now there's no training wheels, right? We're using all this, but then we have, that's sunrise, morning, noon, afternoon, sunset. I mean, twilight, right? Let's put our training wheels back on. Night, it doesn't really do much. So basically our training wheels, what I call that, is the sweet spot where you can't harm your image, you can't break it. But if you start taking stuff off, now we have a party, because you can achieve incredible looks that are physically justifiable, right? And I mean, Jesus Christ, are you seeing this? It is awesome, bros. So yeah, atmospheric. Stores near you.